Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy USDT on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will open the Coinbase website or the mobile application, whatever you prefer, and log into our account. After that you will have a homepage and there will be three options on top of this page. They have the option to deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. Of course, we want to buy, so we will click on this middle option, click on it, and this overview will be opened. So for the first step, you can select the purchase frequency. Basically, that is the frequency which you are using to purchase this coin. I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but if you would like to select a different purchase frequency, just select it in the list. And after that, you can fill in the amount of euro or dollars you want to use to buy these coins. So for now, I will leave it on 2 euros. And as you can see, the asset Bitcoin is selected. We don't want to buy Bitcoin. We would like to buy USDT. Simply tick in USDT and there will be showing the Tether coin and just click on it. Now you have selected the USDT coin, and after that you can also select the wallet you would like to use to pay with. For me it's my Euro wallet because I live in the Netherlands, in Europe. But if you live in another country or region or you're using other currencies, just select the wallet option and select the right currency or wallet you would like to use to pay with. If you don't have any options to select, just add a new payment method and after that it will be appearing at this list. So for now I will leave it on my Euro wallet, and after that you can simply click on review order. Now the overview of the costs of this purchase will be shown, and as you can see I will receive 1.07 coins of the USD Tether. Now I'm using my Euro wallet and the total purchase is €1.01. The Coinbase fee is on that side a little bit more expensive. It's 99 cents and the total amount I'm spending on this buy is 2 euros. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, just select it. I will leave it on no because I just want to make a one-time purchase. But if you would like to, just select it. And after that, you can click on buy now. If you click on buy now, the coins will be directly added to your wallet. So definitely think about that, be aware, and hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.